And on the same day those cuts were announced, San Francisco State Senator Scott Weiner introduced legislation that would create California's own version of the National Institutes of Health. KTVU's Tom Vakar joining us from Richmond tonight, where one of those key world-class research facilities already exists. Tom?
Well, it's really interesting because given what's going on, when you actually consider the width and breadth of California's public science agencies, this may actually be a time that has come for the idea. The microbial and genetic disease labs here in Richmond are a tiny part of California's vast Department of Public Health, but they're as advanced as any on Earth. Few, if any, states are as well prepared to tackle critical disease issues as the Golden State, even on a world scale.
Donald Trump and Elon Musk are just slashing and burning all of our federal science agencies.
The proposed California Institute of Scientific Research would have the authority to not only conduct research, but to provide grants and loans to other researchers, as well as to purchase and even produce vaccines. The state already produces generic prescription drugs.
But it's not authorized to produce vaccines, and so we're expanding its authority to produce vaccines.
Between UCSF, UCLA, Stanford, Cedars-Sinai, and UC San Diego researchers, California has many of the best medical minds on the planet. And California's $400 billion plus biotech and life sciences industry tops the world. It's also the world center of venture capital. Now, many laid off, furloughed, and fired federal scientists and doctors are likely to be available.
We have it all here. That said, why?
Dr. John Schwartzberg is a renowned UC Berkeley infectious disease and vaccine expert.
I don't know if there are enough hours in the day to list all of the damaging things that the Trump administration has done. It will take years to rebuild the damage that has been done in days and weeks.
Beyond medical research, the California Institute of Science Research will have other departments to look at emerging health threats, disease prevention, behavioral health, as well as food and drug safety. It will also have divisions for climate, weather, ocean, and coastal ecosystems, as well as natural resources.
California is perfectly positioned to step up to be a global leader.
Since all of these assets are already here, it will take less time doing it if you had to do it from scratch, and it could even turn a profit in the world markets. Maybe an idea whose time has come. Tom Vakar, KTVU, Fox 2 News. Claudia, back to you.
And certainly an idea that we will watch closely. Thanks, Tom. Well,